If you remember, when we placed the person on the inside, we had to move them up 8 inches, and that's because it was placing the entourage person on the 0 level or level 1. And so I want to show you now how to actually create a false floor inside of here that you can use to just accurately place objects in. And it's not so much as important for the entourage people, but it would be more important for things like furniture and other kinds of arrangements you might be working with. So we're going to go to level 1. And I'm going to grab the floor tool, architectural, and I'm going to make a generic floor. And I really not really concerned with what it's made out of. I guess it could be 12-inch, that's fine. And actually I want it to be 8 inches. So let's see if we have something close to 8 inches here. We don't. Actually what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and quickly make one. I'll edit type, and I'll edit this, and we'll make this 8 inches. And we'll hit apply and OK. And now hopefully, oops, well, I made it 8 inches, but it's still generic. I forgot to duplicate it. It doesn't really matter for this exercise. So let's go ahead now, and I'm going to draw a floor. And this is going to be associated with level 1. And actually, it doesn't, I'm making it a little bit smaller than the room is, just so you can see the issue here when we place things. Obviously, I'd want to drag this all the way out to the extent of the walls. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to offset this automatically so it's 8 inches. And we'll complete that. And you notice we're not getting a warning that we're interfering with the other, with another floor. So I'm going to go quickly now to the interior view, and you can see that floor plate. So if we were to actually want to place a component now, and I don't know if I have anything that's like furniture in here quick that I can grab. Well, let's just grab a desk. So I'm going to grab a student desk here, and I'm going to go ahead and place that. So I'm going to place it there off the floor, and you notice how it's sunk in the ground. I'm going to delete that now, and I'm going to replace it. This time I'm going to get it over that floor area, and you'll notice now how it sits on top properly. And you might be wondering, well, now I have an ugly looking piece of floor there. But actually what you can do is you can just hide that in view. We'll do it by element. And so now it's sitting at the right level on top of the surface, but we're not actually seeing that kind of false floor. So that's a way you could even create false interior walls if you wanted to hang lights or other objects in. Just a little bit of a hack to get you through that issue. So I hope you'll find that helpful.